Hi everyone, in this lecture you will learn indole test. This is the biochemical test that is commonly used in microbiology. In this test you will learn purpose, principle, procedure and results of indole test. The purpose of indole test is to determine the ability of an organism to degrade the amino acid tryptophan to produce indole. Tryptophan is an amino acid that acts as reagent in this test. Tryptophan is degraded by the tryptophanase enzyme that is present in some bacteria to produce indole. The principle of indole test. Tryptophanase that is present in some bacteria hydrolyzed tryptophan to produce three possible end products: indole, pyruvate and ammonium. Indole production is detected by Covax reagent which contain 4-para-dimethylamino-benzaldehyde. This reacts with indole to produce a red colored compound, red ring. Let's see the procedure of indole test. Take a sterilized test tube containing a tryptophan broth. Inoculate the tube aseptically by taking growth from 18 to 24 hours culture the tube at 37 degrees centigrade for 24 hours. See what happens in this incubation period of 24 hours at 37 degrees centigrade. If the bacteria that you inoculate have tryptophanase enzyme, then tryptophanase enzyme hydrolyzed tryptophan that is present in this broth into three end products, one of which is indole. After incubation, when you see this broth, it looks same as it looked before. Indole production is detected by Covax reagent. When you add Covax reagent in the broth, then a red colored is appeared at the junction of the tube. This means that the reaction is positive and the bacteria that is inoculate have tryptophanase enzyme. And if no color appears, then it means that the bacteria that you inoculate don't have tryptophanase. The example of negative indole test is Klebsiella, and the example of positive indole test is E. coli. Results: formation of pink to red color on reagent layer on top of the medium means that the reaction is positive, and the example of positive indole test is E. coli. And if there is no change in color, then it means that the reaction is negative, and the example of negative indole test is Klebsiella. If you want these slides, you can get it in the description box. Thank you for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel for more lectures. Thank you.